Coronavirus is everywhere. It's a pandemic with global ramifications on shares, oil, supply chains and product demand. With please be advised to stay at home, schools closing, and anyone even remotely connected with the virus being asked to stay at home for 2 weeks. How is a business supposed to cope? For office workers, they can use technology, working from home, mobile conferencing, etc. For a factory where you need people in large numbers working on site, it's a little harder. You need people to come into work. You need to be able to cope with high absences. You need a way of bringing in more people to work. Now, the NHS's solution is to ask retired workers to come back for a limited time. We are all in it together mentality and helping out in a crisis. Now, if you have a backup group of staff you can call on, great. The more people you can mobilise, the better. If you don't, then you need a way to get your current staff to work harder in the short term. Most companies do this naturally with overtime. But when we are talking about large amounts of overtime, then you need to think about fatigue. It's especially important as our immune system is less effective when we are tired. So how can you get them to work harder, safely? In this training course, we will show you how to maintain 24/7 operations with one person on duty using just 3 people. This can be maintained for months. If you can swap in and out with others as they become better, then you can maintain it indefinitely. We also have a film to show you how to maintain 24/7 operations with just 2 people. This is an extreme solution. It can be maintained for about 24 days. Hopefully this will give you the breathing space you need. Then you can find other solutions, like bringing in management to augment the 2 workers. These rota solutions are not long-term solutions, but they should help you through the outbreak. Keep calm and carry on.